Hi there, Dory Suka back with this month's inspiration moment. And in this session, I'm going to be talking to you about the special of the month. I'm sharing the love. We're doing a last minute reservation for the Leap Ahead. As you know, the Leap Ahead is coming up on the 10th, 11th, and 12th of February. And we have actually expanded the space that we're hosting it because we had so many people register, and since we expanded the space, we have few more slots for you to join us. Now, if you're not familiar with the Leap Ahead seminar, I don't know where you've been, because we have graduated thousands of people from it and totally transformed their lives and their business. So you need to go to InSPArationManagement.com, go to the seminar tab, and then you're gonna see Leap Ahead. There you're going to learn all about this transformational event. You're going to learn so many things. I'm going to give you an entire blueprint on how to operate your business successfully. It is 3 days of full jam-packed incredible information to help you transform your business. So you'll get this manual, plus you're gonna get a USB with 5 of the business tools that you need to help you at least start implementing. You're gonna get a budget, the compensation model, the clarity hiring system, the pride system to increase sales, and also the guest relations to make sure that your guest relations team is doing what they need to do to help you grow the business. So you owe it to yourself. If you have not been, you owe it to yourself to really come and attend. It is in beautiful Daytona Beach. The meeting space is overlooking the beach. It's very inspiring. You get to rub elbows with all sorts of successful people, and it is just filled with great help for you to truly elevate your success. So I want to invite you to come. For this month, we're doing a last minute $500 off. So instead of paying $29.50, it's only $24.50. And again, you get this entire binder plus these tools that you can get started implementing. So go check it out. Reserve your seat. Don't delay your success. Again, February, this is a brand new year. So you need to get what you need to have to implement and chart your path again to those multiple 7 figures that we're talking about. So that's my love from me to you. So I hope to see you at the next Leap Ahead seminar. Until next time, share the love. Take care. Stay inspired.